uh So you actually want to know how this wig is done, Abby? How I use needle and thread to make this particular beautiful wig, Abby? Just make sure you watch till the end, and I will be right back. So guys, welcome back to my channel, Ebony Style. So in this video I'll be using this particular wig cap. It is called dome cap. Yes, dome cap. They are very thick and strong, so I just have to go for it. And the cap is too big. The back cap is big. All this cap they make nowadays are big, so I just have to adjust it and pin it down. Then I'll start to fix my closure. I made this closure. In case you don't know, if you want to know how I made this closure, just go back to my previous video. I've done a tutorial on how I made this particular closure. So guys, I just pinned the closure down on the wig cap. As you can see, just make sure the closure is very straight, perfect, and it's looking nice on the wig cap before you start sewing. As you can see, I just make sure the wig cap is straight and all. And then I go by using my needle and thread. This particular video is talking about how to use needle and thread to make a wig. So then guys, do you see how I double this thread? Like, I just use one thread. Like, I did not double the thread. I didn't double it into two, as you can see the way I've shown earlier. So I'll start sewing my wig cap, my closure from the front, and then I sew down to the other part. So I just have to make a knot at the beginning, like the way you are seeing now on the screen. So then I make a knot, and then I keep sewing. I'll keep making a knot, like a tight knot, so that the thread will not pull off. So then guys, as you can see, the next step I made, I also made a knot by putting the needle in between the thread. Can you see? So I put the needle into the thread twice, and then I draw the needle. So this is what I kept doing till I'm finished with the closure part. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can see. And this particular video is coming from a nice subscribe by a beautiful lady that told me to teach on how to make a how to make a wig using needle and thread. That's why why am I not just do that? So I don't have choice. I just have to teach you guys on how to make wig using needle and thread. So guys, if you have anything in mind that you don't know how to do and you want me to teach you, just come and I will teach you guys. So yeah, I'm done sewing my closure. As you can see, nice, straight, and it is in a perfect way. You can see the gap I gave when I was sewing. It's not too big and it's not too small. Actually, you can make it your own way. Just make sure it's very nice and perfect. So then guys, this cap, I've said it earlier, is very big, so I just have to adjust it. So I use pin to just hold it down, as in I've adjusted it. So I just use pin to hold it down so that I can sew it with my needle and thread. So that's the essence of me pinning it down, because it won't be easy if I want to sew. So I just have to pin it down with the safety pin and sew it down. So now guys, this is where I've sewed it, and I've removed the safety pin I used earlier. So you can see it's now perfect, it's looking nice, and it's okay. So now I'm going to be using a eyebrow pencil. Is it eyebrow pencil? Just let me call it brow pencil. So I just use this pencil to demarcate where I want to be sewing on the cap. So I just use the pencil to demarcate. And if I hairstylist and you already know how to do this, so you don't need a pencil to demarcate it, and it's necessary anyway, so that you just know where to sew for a beginner. So you just know where to sew, you won't make a mistake. I just use that pencil, I use it to draw all the lines I'll be using. Like the way you can see it now, I've demarcated, like you see, straight in shape, and it's perfect. So then I go on sewing. I'm still using the same needle and thread, and I'm dividing my thread just one. I did not divide into two, just one, just to give it a light sewing. Not, I don't want a deep sewing, so it will not later be showing on the hair. So I just gave it a light sewing, and I sewed this weave on the cap the exact way I did on my closure. I gave it a knot and so on. So that's what I did throughout. I'm done with it. With the weave on, guys. So just keep watching and enjoy yourself. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe please, and send these videos to your friends so that they can learn. To your friends that really want to learn on how to use needle and thread to make a wig. So send it to them, and if you are a hairstylist also, just learn how to, and you want to know how to, maybe you already know how to, but you just want to learn more. So just learn more. So that's what I kept doing. I sewed the way I did the closure part. That's how I'm doing the rest of the weave on the cap. So that's just it. And I'm sewing. Yeah, I'm sewing exactly on the place I've demarcated on the cap. Like, guys understand me? Where I've demarcated on the cap, that's where I sewed. So guys, this is the hair. I just have to comb it. I'm done sewing. Then I decided to comb it down, and this is how it looked like. You can see the closure side, how I sewed it down with the weave on. See how perfect, neat and okay it is. So I just have to comb it down. You can see. So just keep combing down at the closure part, and so on. So now guys, this is when I was done with the hair, but I wasn't satisfied with it. It was looking somehow. I don't even know, I just keep combing, and then I don't understand what the hair is actually looking like. So I just decided that I'm going to stretch this hair just to give it the perfect look, and then I went on stretching. So this is when I was stretching the hair just to give me the perfect shape I wanted. Guess what? Just keep watching. Just keep watching. Just keep watching. I kept on stretching. I stretched everything. Like, I stretched all the weave-ons with the closure, with everything, my paparazzi and so guess what? Ta-da! This is when I was done. So it wasn't even giving me the thing I want at all. Maybe it's the texture of the hair or so. Wait, I'll still show you clearly. So here I shall use my scissors to cut out the essence at the front. You know where we put the closure? Yeah, where we put the closure, I just have to cut out the essence cap out. My sister was telling me, what am I doing? You want to spoil this hair? I was like, okay. So I just cut out the side, the cap side. So just have to be careful so that you don't cut out the closure part. And then this is how the hair was looking when I cut it out. You can see how natural it's looking like. It's not looking black the way it was looking before. You can see. So then, guys, see my hair. I don't even know what was it called? What the stretching, combing, and everything means to this hair. Maybe that's the texture of the hair. But I was happy because what I intended to teach, I was able to teach. But the hair is not giving me the actual thing I want. I just have to slay it like that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything you want me to teach you, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do it for you. Who am I not to satisfy you guys? I'm nobody if I cannot satisfy you guys. See you guys.